Welcome ACE students. I'm Emily on behalf of Tallo. During this session, you'll learn how to showcase yourself as a professional and get connected to your next step. When thinking about your next step or future plans, I find that it's easy to start by writing them down. Take a moment to make a quick list of your goals. Think about where you'd like to be in 1 year, 3 years, and 5 years. Once you've written down your goals, make a list of what you're already doing to achieve them. This could include your involvement in ACE and any other organizations or clubs, certifications you hold, or classes you've taken related to your career interests. These are all significant steps you're taking on the pathway to your future. What you've written down can be added to your digital resume on Tallo or a written resume. Tallo is a free tool that you can use to showcase your ACE involvement and connect with opportunities like jobs, internships, colleges, and scholarships. To create your free Tallo account and earn your ACE digital badge, go to tallo.com/ACE and click Get Started. When you register for Tallo, make sure you use your personal email address and click Create Your Account. Answer a few questions about yourself to set up your profile, like your career interests and where you currently attend school, as well as your next steps. Once you've finished the welcome flow, you can use your written list of goals and accomplishments to fill out your Tallo profile. Filling out your Tallo profile with as much information as possible will help you be seen by colleges and companies that use Tallo to recruit students like you. The more you put on your profile, the more opportunities you will find. You can use the profile completion percentage tool from the top left corner of your profile to check in and see how you're doing. Now I'd like to introduce my colleague Shay. He's going to give you some tips on how to make a great first impression.
It's important to start thinking about your first impression when developing your professional online presence and your digital resume. Here are a few tips for showcasing yourself as a professional. Let's start with the profile picture. I highly recommend you add a profile picture to your Tallo profile. If you have pictures of you doing something you're proud of, like receiving an award, performing in a play, or playing in your favorite sport, or even participating in an ACE mentor program, that's a great way to showcase what you love to do right off the bat. Profiles with photos get more matches and views hands down on Tallo. Make sure your image is clear and with no filters, and is absolutely a positive representation of who you are. It's gonna be your first impression. What usually works is a shot waist or shoulder height with you looking right at the camera with a genuine smile. The next section we're going to talk about is your personal bio. You can add a personal bio to your Tallo profile to express who you are and capture the attention of talent seekers like colleges and companies that want to connect with you. Keep your personal bio short and simple. And remember to always use correct grammar and spelling. Again, this is a great way to showcase your participation in ACE Mentor Program of America or any of those fields that you're interested in, like architecture, construction, or engineering. The next section we're going to talk about is the About Me video, and one of my favorites. The About Me video allows you to share your story, passions, and goals with talent seekers, like colleges and companies that use Tallo to connect with students just like you. This is a great way for you to showcase your personality, your communication skills, and anything else that doesn't readily come across in grades, test scores, and anything like that. It really is a way to showcase all facets of who you are. My last tip to you is to add a mentor to your Tallo profile. You can do this by clicking the Share button, clicking Share with Mentor or Parent, and then adding your mentor's email address. Mentors are an important part of personal and professional development. Mentors can give you personalized feedback and advice throughout your career. Add your ACE advisor to your profile to stay connected so they'll have view-only access of your profile and they can provide guidance and coaching.
Thanks, Shay, and welcome ACE students. Now that you know how to make a great impression, follow along as I show you a few ways to stand out to colleges and companies looking for talent on Tallo. Let's start with your future goals and plans section. This is a great place for you to tell colleges and companies on Tallo what your interests are and your next step. If your next step is to go to college, Tallo is here to help you stay organized during your college search. Be sure to keep this section up to date as you discover new schools or expand your interests. Now let's take a look at digital badges. Many clubs and organizations, like ACE, offer digital badges to display your involvement or membership. You can request and earn digital badges to show your accomplishments and skills related to ACE. Make sure to request your ACE digital badge. Simply click on the pencil in your badge section, search ACE from our digital badge library, click on the badge, complete the verification form, and submit your request. Now, moving down to your memberships, extracurricular activities, and hobby section. This is your chance to show off what you do outside of the classroom, like your involvement with clubs, sports, teams, or maybe community services. Be sure to add the ACE Mentor Program of America as an organization in this section so that you can show off your membership. You can also add any competitions or events that you've participated in as well. Your work experience and responsibilities section is a great place to add part-time jobs as well as any career-related experiences you might have. Think internships, job shadowing, or even certifications that you've earned. Lastly, let's take a look at the file section. This is a place where you can take an extra step and really show off what you're proud of to colleges and companies on Tallo. Here you can upload supporting documents like a resume, letter of recommendation, transcripts, maybe even a project like an essay or a poem that you're proud of. On behalf of Tallo, we are excited to be a part of your career journey and look forward to helping you connect with opportunities. If you have any questions, click the purple circle from the bottom right-hand corner of your Tallo profile or email us at support@tallo.com.